Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to give you a full breakdown how you should use the X platform, and essentially you will learn how you can get monetized, how you can post, how you can follow certain people, how you can join the threads, and essentially see the navigations in the app. So first thing, when you launch the actual Twitter app guys, you want to highlight that the default feed first of all will be for you, as every single social media. For you page is basically mixed up people that you're following and things that you might like. As you can see over here, a bunch of content, bunch of ads in between. So usually it's very busy. There are a lot of things that you should consider paying attention to, because if I scroll on the site, you will have all the following information. So here you will find only people that you're following, and this is very concentrated, and I really don't know why they create the feed like this, while you might see the duplication of some of the posts. So for example, if you see certain posts over here of people you're following, there's a high chance to see it over here on For You, because I follow this guy over here, right? And then I follow Elon Musk, right? So this is duplication of the post, duplication of the accounts. So be aware of this, don't get confused. This is how you usually operate with the feed. The feed usually is located on the lower left corner. Do you see the small house icon? This is how you essentially refresh the whole page. If you click on the upper right, you see the small gear icon. If we click on it, you probably, if you use the platform for quite some time, you will see the list of different communities that you normally join, right? So if you are part of, let's say, crypto community or breaking news community, if you visit these communities on a daily basis multiple times, you don't want to go every time and type in the search bar, find them and go. So you can basically pin them to the upper right, and this is going to be your shortcut. The next icon next to the house icon is the magnifying glass. When you click on it, you will find the search bar on the way upper center of the screen, and you're also going to find live events. Like in our case, you can watch NBA game. During the summer you can watch tennis, you can watch US Open. Underneath you will see a mix of trending topics, trending words in different sectors. So for example, we have sports, politics, entertainment. This is simply text-based trending content. Underneath you will find all the videos that are currently trending, and they are sometimes related to the hashtags. This is not always, because the way how videos are getting trending and viral, it's a different method than the actual text-based virality. If you scroll down, you will find even more categories such as business and finance, and don't get surprised if you see sometimes multiple different words or hashtags that are trending in the same niche. For example, we have two different keywords in sports that are trending. You have two different keywords that are trending in business and finance. If we scroll down, we might end up seeing more. And again, you will have trending in your area, you will have trending in United States, right? So this is why the experience of people using Twitter is tending to be unique, based on your location, based on your interests, and of course based on your browsing history. If you go back again, you can do the same exact thing but simply niche down your search. So if I swipe from here to the left, we're gonna be ending on what is currently trending from all the way to the from any niche that we currently review to the last niche that is trending. This is 29 different words that are trending. If I scroll down, you will see them. Currently there are 30, usually there are 29. So this is why if you want to niche them down, you want to swipe one more time on the site, then you're going to find everything that is currently trending in business. You can scroll down and find, and if for example I'm interested of what's happening with Wall Street, all I'm going to do is going to click on this keyword, right? And Then you're gonna see what is going on with Wall Street and this and that. If we're not into news, we're gonna swipe one more time and we're gonna end up watching the game, seeing the scores, seeing what other games are doing, seeing what kind of other hashtags in the actual sport industries are popular, right? Then you wanna swipe one more time for entertainment. This is where things are getting a little more interesting. So for example, if I click on the JLO as something that is trending right now, we're gonna find out what. Gonna find out that something is happening with JWall, which is cool. Anyway, we go back, and now if we head down to the settings again and click on the middle of the screen, you will launch the Grok AI. This is a version of ChatGPT created by Twitter, by X developers to provide AI assistant. People who give it a shot, who tried already, they say that it's quite good, quite accurate. I haven't had chance to do it yet, but I think it's cool. We all know how much details and focus Elon Musk put in the project, so I assume it's a good one. This only works if you have X premium subscription. You have the verified badge, the blue one that you see on top. The next one is the notification bell on the right side, guys. This is where you will get notified for people commenting on your tweets, people mention you in tweets, people repost or retweet your content. Nothing unusual like every single social media. The last icon is the envelope. This is where you're going to receive your correspondence, messages back and forth between you and other people on the platform. I promised to give you a pro tip over here, something that I believe a lot of people don't know about yet. The idea over here, guys, is that we want to click on our profile on the upper left, and then we want to click on monetization, the last option in the menu. As of the new management, Elon Musk and new strategies to running the platform, you can actually monetize Twitter with two different options. Option number one will be subscriptions, and subscriptions are essentially people contributing on a monthly basis a small amount of money. You choose what to be the amount of money, so they will support you. It's very similar to Patreon. If you think you have a content for the public and then you have a content for your Patreons, right? You create something specific, something unique, something that is privately shared. This is why people are paying you a monthly subscription. Probably wonder what are the requirements. I'm gonna click on it and I'm gonna show you. First requirement is to pay for the premium, for the verified badge, and to be a premium user on X. The second is to have 500 followers. The third one is to be active on the platform for at least 30 days. Okay, and last one is to be at least 18 years old. The second option to get monetized, it's, I would say, more worth your time, simply because people reported that they make much more money on this one. So over here, you will be able to share ad revenue with X, meaning every time when you post a tweet, there will be a lot of comments. I hope so. And the more comments you have, the more ads they can put in between the comments. This means that the people who are running ads are paying X. X is splitting the profits from the ads with you. This is why I saw people reported from $5,000 to $20,000 are getting per month. This is very, very good money for, doing what you usually do, nothing special. So the way how you can actually get monetized over here, guys, is to subscribe to a premium, again, to be a premium user. The tricky part is actually that you should have at least 5 million impressions on your posts within the last 3 months. This is kind of hard. I track mine on my original account. I cannot reach this number so far. I have maybe 200,000 a month. So even if you combine them, I cannot even hit 1 million. So maybe you guys are better on Twitter than me. And there are websites where you can go and copy link of your account and just paste and see the counter of the impressions on your account, so you know, is it worth for you to pay the premium? Is it worth for you to post at all? And the last one, of course, is to have 500 followers on the platform. I hope this was very helpful, guys. I hope you learned something. It's not perfect, but I believe I covered the basics. And next time when you launch Twitter, you will be much more aware of the platform and how you can take the most advantage of it. For more videos like this, subscribe and like this video.